Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've just been revisiting the QUANSHEng UV-K1 with the NR7Y firmware. I did do a video on firmware version 1.2.1, but since the release of that video there's been a few new updates and it's currently at version 1.3.1. Well, I'm not going to go through all the details of all the bugs and all the fixes because you'll find the documentation on the GitHub page and it will list everything there. I'm just going to be repeating something parrot fashion, so there's no point. But there is one cool feature that I'd like to show you. It's a Code Practice Oscillator. So for those who are learning Morse code, you want a bit of practicing on sending. This is now built into the firmware, so it saves you taking an extra key or an oscillator with you. Sometimes your phone, if you need to plug in dongles, don't always work. Everything's built into the radio now and it's quite handy. We boot up the radio. We've got version 1.3.1. To get into the Code Practice Oscillator, we'll press the function key. We'll hold down number 5 and there you'll see Code Practice. What it obviously does, it will mute the transmitter and the receiver, so you're not hearing any stations come through, you're not getting the white noise. Obviously it won't TX as well, so if you watch the LED at the top, nothing there, and it seems to work okay. There are some button shortcuts that could be quite helpful as well when you're doing your practicing. So if we look here, we've got 18 words per minute. If you use the arrow keys, if I press the left hand side, press it up, it will increase the words per minute. Now press the right hand side and it will decrease it. So you can obviously practice. I think it went from 10 words per minute up to 45. So a bit of a good spread there. If you find that your battery's going a bit low, you want to save your battery a little bit. If you touch the star key, then push it again, that'll take the backlight off. You might find that you're in a location that you don't need the backlight, so you can turn it on and off. Also within the Code Practice Oscillator, if you're demonstrating Morse code to a radio club, a school, cadets, cubs or scouts, the torch feature can now be turned into a flashing light when you send your Morse. So if I send a bit now, nothing happens. Push number 4. That now flashes away. So if you've got a bit of a noisy environment and you're trying to demonstrate it somewhere and there's other things going on, you could demonstrate the Morse with the flashing light. It's a bit of a gimmick, but something a little bit fun, which could be quite good. Push number 4, that will turn it off. If you've got now a load of characters across your screen and you're thinking, oh, I don't want that, I'm trying to take a picture, show someone, or you just want to clear it off, if you push number 5, that'll get rid of whatever was on there. So I could send something else, push number 5, and that gets rid of it. So a nice little cool feature that I thought I'd share with you. It's constantly being evolved, the K1, especially with NR7Y's firmware. So it's quite good. So you might have missed it if you haven't done a few updates. You might be thinking about the radio, looking at different firmwares. There's loads of things, there's loads of videos about NR7Y's firmware, but I haven't seen one on the Code Practice Oscillator. I might look into doing a bit more of a video on the K1 as well. Hopefully you found it useful. Thanks for watching. 7-3.